Do you know many people are having trouble with registering their TC Helicon Voicelive 3 Extreme pedal? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Install software. First, download and install the VoiceSupport software from the TC Helicon website onto your computer. Step 2. Open application. Open the newly installed VoiceSupport application on your computer. Step 3. Connect pedal. Connect your Voicelive 3 Extreme pedal to your computer with a USB cable. Step 4. Click Account. In the VoiceSupport software, locate and click the Account button or tab. Step 5. Complete registration. Follow the prompts given within the software to complete the registration of your pedal. After following these steps, your Voicelive 3 Extreme pedal should now be registered. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other TC Helicon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.